Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our ultimate guide on home appliance repair. In this detailed tutorial, we will be walking you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common appliance issues. Let's dive in. First, gather your tools. You'll need a screwdriver set, a multimeter for electrical diagnostics, pliers, and a vacuum with attachments for cleaning. Having the right tools on hand is crucial for a successful repair. Start by unplugging your appliance. Safety is paramount. Locate the screws that hold the outer casing in place. For example, on a refrigerator, these are often found at the back or bottom. Use your screwdriver to remove them carefully. Keep track of each screw. A magnetic tray can help prevent any loss. Once the casing is off, take a moment to clean the internal components. Dust and debris can cause issues. Use your vacuum to carefully remove any buildup from the motor and surrounding areas. A clean appliance operates more efficiently. Next, check for visible signs of damage. Look for worn-out wires or burnt components. If you find anything suspicious, note it down. If you don't have the tools or experience to repair these, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice tailored to your needs. Now, let's check the functionality of key components. Use your multimeter to test electrical connections. For example, when testing a heating element, set the multimeter to resistance mode and place the probes on the terminals. A reading of 0 indicates a faulty element that needs replacement. If you find that parts need replacing, don't worry about sourcing them. You can often find OEM parts online or at local hardware stores. If you prefer, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home to make the process hassle-free. As you work through repairs, keep your workspace organized. This not only helps in finding parts easily but also ensures that you don't forget to reassemble any components. After all repairs are completed, double-check your work. Before putting everything back together, give the appliance one last clean. This helps in maintaining its longevity. Once satisfied, reattach the casing and ensure all screws are securely fastened. Finally, plug in the appliance and test it. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your appliance. If not, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can understand any further steps needed without unexpected costs. In conclusion, appliance repair can be a straightforward process with the right tools and knowledge. You can tackle many common issues yourself, but don't hesitate to reach out for professional help when needed. With our services, you can enjoy no calls and no travel, making repairs easier than ever. Happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.